Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to my home. I'm Eileen. Okay, today we're going old school. I have had several people say, oh, we missed it when you taped in your living room, and you know, I do too. I loved when I first started my channel, I really enjoyed taping in my living room and really bringing you into my home. However, it's not the most convenient, as you can imagine. I have to kind of take up the whole breakfast area with the lighting and cameras, and it's just not so convenient. But I'm going to get back to doing some in my living room, and then some, of course, in my other room. So today I just thought, why not? Let's talk in the living room today. This is a casual video. This is going to be the wigs I wore in April. And as you know, every month I do a short little video. I choose 10 wigs, and I couldn't show you all the wigs I wore in April. We'd be here all day because, as you know, I wear a different one every day. But I chose 10 that I really enjoy, and I like to show them to you every month. So let's get started. All the wigs I'm going to show you today are from Wig Studio One, so be sure to check them out over there. And let's get started and look at the wigs I wore in April. Okay, let's start it off with BelleTress, Miss Macchiato, and Coconut Silver Blonde. You know, there are so many things I like about this wig. I love the color, number one. Number two, if you like a longer style, but you don't want to wear a real long style that rubs on your collar, this is a perfect length, in my opinion. I think this is very wearable. It has a lace front and a mono part. So I'll let you see that. The parting's done very well. It's low density, beautiful lace front. Now you can see my bow hair there and there. That doesn't bother me. I know it does some people, but you could use some shading powder and shade that in, lighten up your hair there if that bothers you. It really doesn't me, because this kind of has this long sweeping bang, and I can just put that over there. I still can wear this behind my ear perfectly well by doing that. But this is a very nice low profile, low density style. As you can see, I mean, it is just, even though it doesn't have a mono top, it has a mono part, but this is low density. There's no permatease here on the top of this wig. And then feeling around, there's just hardly any permatease anywhere. I really don't feel it in this wig. It just has a beautiful shape. I like these little soft feminine waves. I think this is one, if you haven't tried Miss Macchiato, you might give it a try. Okay, this is Raquel Welch Go-To Style in SS Biscuit. I love the back of this. I like this longer nape on this. Now y'all, you know these are not wig reviews. I've already reviewed all the wigs I'm going to show you. If you want to see the full review, just go to the drop down box below this video, and there'll be links to all the full reviews that show cap construction, outdoor lighting. This is just an overview of these wigs and the ones I wore last month. Again, Go-To Style. I love it. It has a lace front and a mono part. Gorgeous lace front here. Coverage, good coverage. Ear tab right over my ear. I like this little bit longer front here. It's kind of updated, but you can still wear this behind your ear easily. And I like that this has a little longer nape. Now, like I said, if you have hair that grows down on your neck, this is perfect on this one. Just a really nice, updated, wearable style. Low density again, very little permatease here at all. I'm just going to feel around a little. There's a little working through here maybe on the sides. Not a lot. It just gives you the shape. Nothing on the top. Very low density. Just beautiful Raquel Welch fibers and style. I think this is a winner. Okay, this is Gabor Modern Motif in SS Honey Toast. What's not to love here? Lace front, mono part. Look at all these beautiful soft Gabor. I love Gabor fibers. Beautiful. The shading around the face here is so pretty. Good coverage. Ear tab right there. has a slight bang that you could leave down. I just tend to pull mine back. It's just kind of how I like it. I just think, again, beautiful waves, very feminine, up off your neck. Great for the summertime if you want to wear something a little longer, but this is a beautiful, beautiful wig. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. This fits me perfectly. I don't do any adjustment here. I just think I need this in more colors. This is Jon Renau Kelly in 12 FS12. I want you to see this. It has a lace front and a mono top on this one. Good coverage here and there. Now there's a lot of fiber on this wig, just to let you know. Beautiful waves, so pretty. This color 12 FS12 of course has this lighter rooting, which I appreciate on this wig, but yet highlighted so pretty around the face. This is a newer release for Jon Renau. I just think these are so, I'm just find myself reaching for these loose beachy waves. This one's a little longer, so it offers a little more length. Beautiful. Kelly by Jon Renau. Okay, Raquel Welch On in 10. I always have to look at this color. SS Iced Latte Macchiato. A lot I like about this wig. Now this is a basic cap, so it's a little more budget friendly. And even though it's a basic cap, it's not full of permatease. There is some permatease in here. As you can see, you're going to get this little bit of a lift here. There is permatease around the nape of this. There's not in the top, but there is definitely permatease running through here, giving us this shape. But I like that it's a basic cap because it has these long sweeping bangs. Wear it behind your ear. It fits me perfectly. Like I said, I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, yet this has stretch. So if you have a little larger head, this definitely will work. Lots of layers here. This color is gorgeous. I love this color. Just beautiful shading. A great everyday style. Okay, wow. This is Ellen Villa Ocean in Auburn Rooted. This color is so beautiful. Now this has an interesting front. This has a lace piece that is only as wide as the mono top. So in my video link below, I will show it to you in detail. So it doesn't have a lace front that goes all the way across. It is just a little piece of lace front and goes into the part. Like I said, I show it in the video that I will link below. This hair is beautiful. I normally would not wear the hair this long. However, I wore this out to dinner and I wore it in a low ponytail. And it was so nice. I really enjoyed it. So this has plenty of length. And I tied it with a really pretty scarf and it was nice. So if you want, I always like to have a few of these long pieces on hand just to wear like that, just out somewhere casual. Or this is a great piece to wear to an event because you could put some really beautiful hair accessories in here and do a half up and half down, and it just works perfectly. So I always think we should have a few longer pieces in our wig wardrobes. Okay, here's Raquel Welch Play It Straight and Glazed Strawberry. Glazed Strawberry is just such a beautiful, beautiful color. Look at this highlighting around the face. This has lace front, mono part, really nice coverage. I like Play It Straight. It's been around forever, as we know. So it is a tried and true Raquel Welch, beautiful style. I like the casualness of this. I like the shaggy look here. I think this looks great with a blue jean jacket. Just a fun summer style in my opinion. I like it. There's not a lot of permatease here. There is some, but there's not a ton. There is some at the nape. On all of these, they have always a little bit normally on these wefted caps. And so, yes, right around there. I do feel it, but on the top there's not an overabundance. So they're very wearable, believable. This color, I love SS Biscuit, and I love these reds. Raquel Welch, in my opinion, does some of the most beautiful red shades. I have a video that shows, I believe, all of the reds, and I just love them. I think they're wearable, they're beautiful, and this is a great style. Okay, here is BelleTress Lady Latte and Butterbeer Blonde. All right, it has a mono top and a lace front. Parted anywhere within this mono top. I always recommend this wig to so many people. They just want a classic bob. I think this is it. The length is nice on this. It's wearable. It falls in a beautiful place here. You can wear it straight, very, very sleek. You can wear it behind your ear. Lots of movement. I have this in I don't know how many colors now, a lot of colors. I just think it's so wearable, and I think it is a beautiful one that to wear clips in, to get it, if you don't want it hanging down into your face. You can also, you've seen me do this a million times, but I'm just going to show you. You can also just spray some hairspray right at the root, pull it up and off your face. Of course, you could steam it if you wanted. And of course, if you wanted to add some loose curls, you could. I don't do that. I like the shape of this. I like that this is a classic bob. Ellen Villa movie star, champagne rooted. I have bought this in so many different colors. I have to really love a wig to keep purchasing it in lots of different shades. Now, I may repurchase a wig in the same color because I love it so much, but I gotta really love it to make it, to keep getting it in different colors. This is gorgeous. This is perfect for the summer. This is perfect for you if you're looking, you want the beachy wave, but you don't like it too long. You don't want it rubbing on your collar, but you want to experience a beachy wave wig. This could be the one you're looking for. Now, this has a lace front. However, it is a basic cap. It has a small mono crown, very small. Again, I will link my full video below and you can see the inside of the cap. It is just lovely. Look at these beautiful waves. Easy to wear, fits me well. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. This is a good fit. You could use some styling product and really piece out these curls if you'd like. As you know, I'm a fan of just leaving the curl patterns as they are. I will spray this with some water or some sea salt spray, something like that, and just let the waves be loose and messy. The messier the better. And just play with them, make them however you want them to lie. But this is a winner. I really encourage you, if you want one of these little short wavy bobs, give this one a try. Raquel Welch, Untold Story, Fiery Copper. So much movement here. Partially hand-tied cap. I say that because the back of this is wefted, although it is covered. Again, you can see that in my full video. This hair, oh my goodness, Untold Story. I have it now in 2 shades. I have Shaded Biscuit, of course, and I have Fiery Copper here, and I will definitely be buying this in more colors. Look at this lace front. Again, the shading on these Raquel Welch wigs, the coverage is good. The shading is just perfectly done in my opinion. I love it. Can't say enough about Untold Story. Definitely in my top 10, and it is, as you know, I love Upstage. This one is giving Upstage a run for its money. I'll have to wear it all year before I make a decision between the two, but it is very similar to Raquel Welch Upstage. I have a video that compares and contrasts these 2 wigs. This one has a little longer bang, which I am finding I really enjoy. The fibers are beautiful Raquel Welch fibers. The wave of this is perfect. There is nothing I can say negative about this wig. I love it that much. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I love making these. If you like them, please leave me some comments below, and we will continue on every month of the wigs I wore in the previous month. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next month.